Hey guys, so this video is going to be a tutorial on the different power zones in the probability power indicators. So if we go to the settings here, we're going to talk about these three power zones: institutional power zones, the major probability power zones, and the minor probability power zones. So right now the chart is just showing the institutional power zones and the major probability power zones. So the most important or most powerful is the institutional power zones, which are the red dashes right here, and then up here. And these are the most powerful because there's a lot of institutional order flow. As you can see, there is a downtrend with this purple cloud. And then we have a support right here at this institutional zone, and we have a bounce back up. So if we add in the minor probability power zones, we'll see that they are darker blue. And the major probability power zones are the lighter blue. If we change the colors, then we'll have a lighter green for the major probability power zones and a darker green for the minor probability power zones. So whenever we're looking at setting up our chart, we want to first have the institutional power zones, then the major probability power zones. And when we want to find a target where we don't have, either the major or the institutional power zones, then we'll add in the minor zones. Like right here, we have a lot of space between the institutional zones. So we need to find a reference point and we'll add in the minor zones. However, when we're focusing on long-term investing or swing trading, we really want to focus on the institutional power zones because they're the strongest. And then, we can consider the major probability zones as well because they will also be good targets.